Get together, meaning meet. Get on, meaning like. It's nice to get together with people you get on with. Get on with. Continue doing something, especially work. Get behind. If you get behind with work or with payments, you have not done as much work or paid as much as you should by a particular time. I must get on with my work. I got behind because I spent too much time online. Get something over with, meaning do and complete something difficult or unpleasant that must be done. Get away, meaning leave a place or person, often when the situation makes it difficult for you to do so. Let's get this meeting over with, or else we'll never get away before the rush hour and it will take ages to get home. Can't or couldn't get over something, meaning shocked, surprised. Get away with something or doing something, meaning succeed in not being criticized or punished for something wrong that you have done. I can't get over how she manages to get away with doing so little work. It's obvious to everyone, but the boss never seems to notice. Get by, meaning have just enough money to pay for the things I need, but nothing more. How do you manage to survive without a job? Oh, I get by with a bit of help from my parents. Get around or round, meaning find a way of dealing with or avoiding a problem. The problem is that the regulations don't allow us to use next year's budget. Oh, don't worry, we'll get around it somehow. Got around to or round to, meaning do something that you have intended to do for a long time. Have you rung the travel agents yet to confirm our bookings? Sorry, I haven't got around to it yet, but I'll do it after lunch. I promise. Getting at, meaning if you ask someone what they are getting at, you are asking them what they mean, usually because they have said something indirectly. I really think you ought to apologize to you know who about you know what. I'm sorry, I don't know what you're getting at. Who? What? Get away with, meaning do something successfully, even though it's not the best way of doing it. Do you think I can get away with not using Any handouts in my talk? Yes, people often just throw them away. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and watch the next video on the screen. See you soon.